Hi, how are you? I am Ida, and today I want to give a presentation about the Gapminder of the three countries. We will compare their income and the babies per woman. The three countries are Brazil, Guyana, and Suriname. We will start from 1800 till the 21st century, and that is the year of 2019. Let's start with the gap and we will see what the birth of babies per woman is, and the income from 1 year per person. We will watch it, and then I want to give some explanation. As we look at the Gapminder, we see that in 1800 there were less um, information about the birth and the income of these countries. But when we look further in the 20th century, we will have some information of these three countries. Let's look. Brazil have some information already. 1870 during that period, but Guyana is starting for 80s there somewhere is moving, but Suriname still have no data. 1900, the 20th century, Suriname still have no data. We will look when Suriname have some data, some information, and that will start from 19, yes, oh, 1946, still no information of Suriname, but from 90, yes, we still it's still moving. It's moving. All right. That's great. That's great. Suriname is moving. All right. And as we look at our screen, we see that these three countries are moving down, down, down. It's still moving down. And when we compare these three countries, we see that um, in Guyana became independent, and they in 1966 Guyana gained independence. And when we look at this of Guyana, we see that the income per person is 7,913. What is this? Why it is still moving? Let's put Guyana back at the gap. Let's watch this. Still from the beginning. We will watch it from the beginning. But the income was 7,930. And Brazil, the fertility rate is declining because the country is richer and more urban. And also, the soap operas is a reason for the less babies per woman. And the same thing we have in Suriname. The fertility, fertility and education. When people became richer and the country is becoming richer, the women are educated, they have less children. When we look at this Gapminder, we will see that the women have not so many babies as the 20th century. In the 21st century, the countries became richer. That's why the women have um, less babies than the 20th century. And in Brazil, we see it's moving. The country is becoming richer. In Suriname, we are our income in 1 year is becoming more than when we look at um 1954. We have 655 babies and an income of 5,480. But when we become richer, we are earning more money, then you see that the baby born of babies per woman is less, is 200, 232. And the same we have in Guyana and Brazil. So I hope you enjoy my video, and till next time. Thank you. Bye bye.